Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Andi Nur Intan Fajria M. Number name age 01200331. Baiklah, saya akan menjelaskan tentang jenis-jenis gaya bahasa dan menjawab 5 pertanyaan. Basic learning style types. Number 1, diverging. Combines learning steps of concrete experience and reflective observation. People with this learning style are based at viewing concrete situations from many points of view. Their approach to situation is to observe rather than take action. If this is your style, you may enjoy situations that call for generating a wide range of ideas, such as brainstorming sessions. You probably have broad cultural interests and like to gather information. Orang dengan gaya belajar ini paling baik dalam melihat situasi konkret dari banyak sudut pandang. Pendekatan mereka terhadap situasi adalah mengamati daripada mengambil tindakan. Number 2, assimilating. Combines learning steps of reflective observation and abstract conceptualization. People with this learning style are based at understanding a wide range of information and putting it into concrete, logical form. If this is your learning style, you probably are less focused on people and more interested in abstract ideas and concepts. Generally, people with this learning style find it more important that a theory have logical soundness than practical value. Orang dengan gaya belajar ini paling baik dalam memahami berbagai informasi dan memasukkannya ke dalam bentuk yang ringkas dan logis. Number 3, converging. Combines learning steps of abstract conceptualization and active experimentation. People with this learning style are based at finding practical use for ideas and theories. If this is your preferred learning style, you have the ability to solve problems and make decisions based on finding solutions to questions or problems. You will rather deal with technical tasks and problems that win social and interpersonal 20 issues. Orang dengan gaya belajar ini paling baik dalam menemukan kegunaan praktis untuk ide dan teori. Number 3, accommodating. Combines learning steps of active experimentation and concrete experience. People with this learning style have the ability to learn primarily from hands-on 25 experience. If this is your style, you probably enjoy carrying out plans and involving yourself in new and challenging experience. Your tendency may be to act on gut feelings rather than on logical analysis. In solving problems, you may rely more heavily on people for information than on your own technical analysis. Orang dengan gaya belajar ini memiliki kemampuan untuk belajar terutama dari pengalaman langsung. Dan saya akan menjawab 5 pertanyaan. Read the extract again and answer the question. Number 1, if you have a diverging learning style, would you like to put a new idea immediately into practice? Answer, no. I think when I have a different learning style, it will be characteristic of my way of learning, and when I try new ideas, I may have a hard time understanding the lesson. Number 2, if you have an assimilating learning style, will you like reading about theories? Answer, yes, I will read more and study theory. Number 3, if you have a converging learning style, will you like helping to colleagues resolve an argument? Answer: no, because that learning style is not my learning style and maybe I understand what it is about, so he fights. Number 4. If you have accommodating learning style, would you like to try out something new rather than read about it? Answer: yes. If I have an accommodating learning style, I will try new things instead of just reading them. Decide which learning style best describes your way of learning and tell another student. Answer: assimilation, because I feel theory has logical truth rather than practical value.